Okay guys, so new video here. You guys know we go to auctions, record cars, trucks, SUVs, boats, like everything, you know, even semis. But we ran into this 2018 Toyota Forklift and we're like, dude, we gotta shoot a video for it. So here it goes. This is a fully electric forklift, and overall, like you see here, pretty clean. The only damages that we found so far is these ones right here. You could see it either laid on its back or I don't even know, to be honest. But see how this is bent? There's a little contact spot there. This is bent. But that's the only visible damage that we've seen so far for it. And it is electric, like we said. So let's see if this thing actually works. Let's try to see if we could lift up the forks and see if this thing is actually a runner. Look at that. The battery's still charged. I don't want to drive this thing on the gravel, but I mean, looks like everything should be working. As far as we can see, at least that thing is working. We don't want to drive it, but yeah. Show them the stock number. If you guys want this thing, go to IAA.com, put in that stock number. Maybe you want to go bid on it. Maybe you have a shop, tow some cars around. I mean, I wonder what this is rated for. What is the weight? It's probably not too much because it is a smaller one. Well, I don't know if this means anything to you guys, but you guys can maybe Google this.
Those might be the batteries, I think.
Maybe the battery, but...
Oh, right here, maybe.
Oh yeah, let's... There's some info on this forklift. We're not too familiar with forklifts. Oh, it looks like 1,700 pounds. So yeah, this is not a huge forklift. Truck weight is 5,600. I think this is the... Oh, that's battery weight. Wait, battery weight is 1,700.
Right there, lift.
Well, just let's show the info. You guys could pause the video and
2,500 pounds.
Let's show the whole thing like this. Pause the video if you guys want to get more info on it, but this is it. A little video for this forklift. Like we said, if you're interested, go check it out. Maybe you want to buy it for your truck. This is located in Spokane, Washington. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for other videos. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we go check out a lot of cars, trucks, SUVs. Look at the semi right here. We might have done a video on this thing, maybe not, but go check it out and we'll see you guys on the next video.